How to fix fingerprint not showing in settings. Hi. The first method is to check for updates. Sometimes a new update fixes bugs in previous one. So in order to look for updates, open up settings in your device and from here go to system. Now go to software update, download and install all the latest update if available. So once the update is complete, as a simple restart of your device can refresh the system and bring back missing options. So power off the phone completely, wait for at least 30 seconds and power it back on and check whether that will help fix your problem or not. If not, now verify the fingerprint sensor hardware. The fingerprint sensor might be damaged. So for that, check if the sensor works in other way, such as unlocking apps using your fingerprint or not. If it does not respond, then you have to contact your manufacturer for hardware diagnostic. But if that's not your case, now you have to clear cache and data of fingerprint related services. Sometimes the corrupt data might hide your options. You can simply open up settings, go to apps, then you have to go to show system apps and look for an application like Fingerprint Manager or Biometrics, and from there you have to clear cache and restart your device. And if that still does not help you, re-enable your fingerprint settings. Updates may disable fingerprint settings. So for that, go to settings and here go to your security. And here you can go to your fingerprint unlock and then check if the fingerprint feature can be toggled on back. So here make sure that your fingerprint is turned on. And if none of these steps help you, then it could be a bug or hardware fault. So you have to contact your phone's customer support or visit an authorized service center. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.